As remote working trends become the new normal across industries, flexible workplace practices might pose new challenges to IT and administration to manage operations remotely and effectively. To ease their challenges in mobile device and expenses management, 1010 is pleased to introduce a self-service platform with complete visibility for corporate clients on mobile service subscription detail and validity of each user in their companies. 1010 Enterprise Solutions Portal is a one-stop online corporate mobile service management platform that offers convenience like never before. With one single platform, IT or administrative staff can perform multiple functions DIY, digitally, and remotely. Advanced security measures including two-factor authentication are built in to provide maximum security, ensuring only authorized persons can access and download confidential reports and information, plus to digitally and securely sign and approve agreements anywhere. By setting different hierarchy and access rights, individual administrators under different departments can manage respective users, analyze usage patterns, and allocate resources more efficiently. The super administrator and thus the executives of the company can have a clear overview of the entire account spending and usage details. Customers can sign and renew contracts online, confirm a new order subscription, generate accurate reports at their own pace, or even replace lost SIM cards without human interactions. Service appointments, webinar registration, and filling out opinion surveys have never been simpler. Both time and effort could be saved with this paperless portal. ESP enables administrators to set up usage alert notifications to avoid unanticipated charges. You can check billing details, usage, and payment summary at ease. 1010 Enterprise Solutions Portal empowers you to manage your mobile service anytime, anywhere.